Put on your finger.
How they gonna fix all this? They'll let you go.
No, he ain't.
You better wait.
I know all the time. He hit my shit, I'm gonna fuck him up.
Look at that. That don't make no sense, Chief.
No. How they gonna replace all this stuff?
Well, more than insurance. Insurance. And you see where them bubbles at? It started coming up. Everywhere you see where them bubbles, that water is started coming up. It's still.
Come in the street. See it.
That's what I told you. By Saturday, it's gonna be done. That's why we had to get out.
And all this came from the hurricane.
Yeah. And you see it's still rising. Water still shooting. Y'all hadn't been down here? And LCC, them just like this, is coming this way.
So why they telling people to go there?
Do not know.
Evacuate, go to LCC.
Do not know. Because that's the only shelter they got. So far.
I hope they go on the second floor then.
Well, the LCC the same way. I got it on the phone. Oh, babe. Oh. It is. By Saturday, we still got the news and the tar is the only two left to crest. They haven't crested yet. And the news don't crest till Saturday. The tar crests tonight.
This is worse than
Matthew, they say it's gonna be worse. It's worse than Florida, yeah. Florida only about 23 to 24 inches of 20. The noose on the road 23 to 24. With Matthew, the noose was supposed to ride to 30. Look at all of that. That is crazy. We just came through there on that lane. That's how fast it's rising. Oh, baby, we might not be able to come back through. Do we have to go down here? If we don't, we need to turn around. We ain't gonna be able to go back down. We go down, because this just for 10 minutes. This just